Ever wondered why vaginal health is of paramount importance? Well, it's because a healthy vagina is a cornerstone of overall well-being, and maintaining its cleanliness is a crucial part of that. Embarking on this journey of cleanliness, step 1 involves understanding that the vagina is a self-cleaning organ. This means it naturally produces a discharge that carries away dead cells and bacteria, keeping it healthy and preventing infections. Moving to step 2, remember that external cleaning is the key. Rinse the vulva, the outer part of your genitals, with warm water during your shower or bath. A soft, unscented soap is also an option, but only for the external parts. Step 3 involves drying off thoroughly. After a shower or bath, pat the vulva dry with a clean towel. This helps to prevent moisture buildup, which can lead to infections. Step 4 is all about what not to do. Never douche or use scented soaps, gels, or other products inside the vagina. These can disrupt the natural balance of bacteria and pH levels, leading to irritation or infection. Finally, step 5 is about embracing breathable underwear. Cotton underwear helps to keep the vagina dry and allows it to breathe, reducing the risk of infections. To sum it all up, proper vaginal cleaning is all about understanding the self-cleaning nature of the vagina, focusing on external cleaning, drying thoroughly, avoiding harmful products, and choosing breathable underwear. Remember, it's important to maintain a healthy routine, and always consult a healthcare professional if you experience any discomfort, unusual discharge, or other issues. After all, your health is your wealth. So take care of your vaginal health because it's a vital part of your overall well-being. It's not just about cleanliness, it's about embracing the natural workings of your body and helping it to function at its best. Let your body do its job, assist it where you can, and always prioritize your health and comfort. Because at the end of the day, you are your own best advocate. Vaginal health is not a taboo, it's a topic that deserves our attention and understanding. So don't shy away from it, embrace it because your health matters. And remember, a healthy vagina is a happy vagina.